Elevate your aerial photography and flying experience with the Xiaomi D88 Drone. This professional-grade, foldable RC quadcopter is engineered for precision and ease of use, boasting an impressive 8K aerial HD dual camera system, intelligent obstacle avoidance, powerful brushless motor, 716 engine, and precise 5G Wi-Fi GPS return VR drone capabilities. The D88 is your ultimate tool for capturing stunning visuals and navigating the skies with confidence. Unparalleled aerial imagery with 8K HD dual cameras. Capture breathtaking perspectives with the Xiaomi D88 Drone's 8K aerial HD dual camera. Featuring advanced optical flow technology, this system ensures stable, high-definition footage, whether you're a keen photographer or a drone enthusiast. The dual camera system offers versatility for various aerial photography scenarios. The camera angle is 90 degrees manually adjustable, allowing for creative framing and dynamic shots, supporting horizontal, vertical, and prone shooting. Enjoy real-time high-definition video streaming directly to your mobile device with the drone's 5G Wi-Fi FPV function. Intelligent flight capabilities and enhanced safety. Experience the thrill of flight with the D88 Drone's intelligent obstacle avoidance system, ensuring safe navigation through your aerial adventures. The drone has a fixed altitude maintenance mode function and optical flow fixed point positioning, contributing to stable flight. With a 6-axis gyroscope, this drone ensures smoother and more stable flight, while 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology guarantees a clear signal for your remote control. Different flight speeds allow you to match your skill level. Effortless operation and control. The D88 drone is designed for ease of use, making it accessible for pilots of all levels. Its one-click return function allows you to easily find your way home, providing peace of mind. The headless mode eliminates the need to determine the aircraft's direction during flight, simplifying control for beginners. The remote control operates on 2.4G, providing a stable connection. The drone's 360-degree stunt rolling capability adds an element of excitement to your flights, while the LED lights make it a spectacle even in low-light conditions, especially in the dark. Powerful performance and endurance. The D88 drone is powered by a 716 brushless motor, ensuring powerful and long-lasting flight with efficient power consumption. This makes it a reliable companion for your aerial photography and videography needs. The drone's 3.7V LiPo battery provides approximately 20 minutes of flight time, with a charging time of 60 minutes. The remote control requires 3 XAA batteries. Compact, foldable and portable design. The sports car-like design of the D88 features excellent body line layering and foldable arms, making it compact and easy to carry. When unfolded, its size is 28 by 19 by 5 cm, and when folded, it shrinks to 13 by 8 by 5 cm, packaging weight 398 grams. It's a perfect sky drone for photographers on the go. Smart control and dynamic flight modes. The D88 supports various intelligent functions for a dynamic flying experience. Wi-Fi FPV, it connects to applications and app systems for real-time image transmission to mobile phone cameras. Trajectory flight, draw a flight path on the screen, and the drone will fly autonomously along the designated path. One-click automatic return effortlessly brings the drone back. Height hold mode maintains a steady altitude. Dual lens switchable offers versatility in camera views. Supports horizontal, vertical, and prone shooting for diverse aerial photography. The Xiaomi D88 drone offers a compelling blend of high-resolution 8K HD camera capabilities, intelligent obstacle avoidance, powerful brushless motors, and user-friendly controls, all within a portable and stylish design. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a capable and exciting drone for aerial photography and immersive flight experiences. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more drone reviews, unboxings, and flight demos.